first delicious tropical cocktail is the Blue Hawaiian. First, let's start with our ingredients. You'll need white rum, Curacao, coconut cream, and pineapple juice. First, add 1 ounce of white rum into your mixer, followed by 1 ounce of Curacao. Then, add 1 ounce of coconut cream and 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Into your mixer, add some ice and give it a good shake. From there, you're ready to pour it into your drinking glass. Look how good that tastes. To top it all off, add a slice of pineapple and a cherry onto the rim. Our second delicious tropical cocktail is none other than the iconic Sex on the Beach. Let's start with our ingredients. You'll need vodka, peach schnapps, orange juice, and cranberry juice. First, add 1 1/2 ounce of vodka into your shaker. Then, add 1/2 ounce of peach schnapps and 1 1/2 ounces of orange juice. Add some ice into your mixer and give it a good shake. Now get a glass with some ice in it and pour in 1 1/2 ounces of cranberry juice. Then pour your mix into the glass. To top it off, add a slice of orange and a cherry to the rim. Our third delicious tropical cocktail is the classic Margarita. First, rub your glass rim with a fresh lime. Then, roll the glass in a small plate of salt to coat the rim. Now, squeeze 1 ounce of lime juice into your mixer. Then, add 1 1/2 ounce of tequila, followed by 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup if you want it a little sweet. Add some ice, then give it a good shake. Use a strainer to pour your mix into your margarita glass. To top it off, add a fresh slice of lemon or a lime to the rim. Our fourth delicious tropical cocktail is the Latin Sunset. First, add 1 ounce of vodka into your mixer, followed by 1 ounce of rum coda. Then, add 1 ounce of mango juice, followed by 1/2 ounce of cocoa cream. Add some ice and give it a good shake. In a cocktail glass, add a single large ice cube, then pour your mix into the glass. To top it off, lay a toothpick across the rim with a chunk of mango, pineapple, and a cherry. Our next delicious tropical cocktail is the Blue Ocean. First, add 1/2 ounce of blue Curacao and 1/2 ounce of simple syrup into your mixing glass. Then add 1/2 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of horchata syrup, and 1 1/2 ounces of dark rum. Next, add some ice and give it a stir using a stirring spoon. From there, fill a martini glass with small ice, then pour in your mix. Look how delicious that looks. To top it off, add a slice of lemon to your rim. To finish off our delicious tropical cocktails, we have the PORNSTAR Martini. First, our ingredients. You'll need vanilla vodka, passoa, and vanilla syrup. You'll also need passion fruit syrup, lime juice, passion fruit juice, and fresh egg white. The egg is optional. Add 1 2/3 ounce of vanilla vodka into your mixer, followed by nearly an ounce of passoa. Then, add 1/2 ounce of vanilla syrup and 1/3 of an ounce of lime juice. Add nearly an ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1 2/3 ounces of passion fruit juice, finished off by 1 ounce of optional egg white. Add some ice and give it a good shake. Now pour your mix into your martini glass. The egg white will give it that really nice foamy top layer. Delicious! To top it off, add a slice of passion fruit directly on top. Enjoy!